So, no, that's Strawberry Lane. Sod that one. Not doing that one today. This is Champais or Cranesets. I don't know why I keep calling it Champais. Cranesets. Here we go. Nice easy gradient for right now. Another good easy beginner route so far. Yeah. The Himalayan is just soaking this up. A little bit wet. A bit of a kick. Very loose gravel. But easily handled thus far. And then poo. And then that is it. Lovely lane. Whoa, that was a big hole. So is that. So as you saw on the left, there was lots of loose pebbles. Bike was jodding around a lot, but it wasn't a problem. You just got to keep steady on the throttle, keep your balance. You could ride that standing up, sat down. I was standing up, but if you want to ride it sit down, I don't think there'd be a problem. It did look like when I hit that pebbly section that the right hand section was probably smoother, but yeah, that's Cranesets. I wonder if I go down Strawberry Lane. Because coming up Strawberry Lane was hard. I'm going to go down Strawberry Lane. Why not? I'm here. So lovely to see all the buds that's out and about. Trinity again. Nope, that's not it. Yeah, this is it here. Ground's immediately softer. Oh, you can see people have been down here already. Bit of a rut. Whoa. A heck of a rut, which I should have remembered from last time. Right. Oh, motherfucker, hit my other thumb. Ah, oh, bastard. Oh. Fuck's sake. Lift with the legs. Jesus Christ. Oh, there seems to be something that I always punch on this fucking bike. Front wheel speed sensor failed. What? Hurt my thumb. Oh, proper punched it. I might turn around actually. Bin this as one not to ride on your own. Especially because my thumb is flipping hurting. Yeah, I'm going to bin it. Turn around at this part here. Oh, that hurt. Yep, sorry trail vids. But, oh. I ain't going down that one. Jesus Christ, it's always the bottom of the thumb knuckle that hurts so much. Great, now I'm going to have two thumbs permanently bloody aching. Oh, Jesus Christ. I haven't broken it, but definitely just given it a good smack. Oh, that's where I fell over. Oh, this Moscow Moto top's earning its money today. Oh, man. You know what, I was wondering, do I do it, do I not do it? From now on, if I think don't do it, I'm not going to do it. All in all though, oh god, very successful ride. That's the only problem with this. It's trying to come out of here safely.